Our parents deserve more. Our parents deserve more. Hello, everyone. Hello to you all. Good morning, good afternoon. I greet you all according to your time. Depend where you are watching me from. This is Mama Didi Canada TV show. I greet you all. I greet all my subscriber. I greet all my member. I greet all my viewers. I salute you guys. You guys, without you guys, there's no Mama Didi. I thank you all for always tuning in, always coming to watch my video, leaving a comment for me. I greet you. I say a big thanks to you all. I really appreciate you all. From the bottom of my heart, I say a big thanks to you all. So guys, today's video na just quick one. You know how we do it on this channel. Na just quick one, because why I bring this video come, the reason why I bring this topic come, because I dey see a lot of people for this Europe. They go say na so they don do this for their papa, na so they don do this for their mama, na so their mama dupe them, na so their papa dupe them. Papa dupe you, mama dupe you, they are still your parents. There's no way you can wash them away. There's no way. And some, their papa no even dupe them, their mama no even dupe them, but they go just take am to their self, say I don't want to help my mother, I don't want to help my father, I want to leave them in poverty. And you, that way they do this thing, so you are enjoying yourself, you are cooking Versace soup for Shentro boy, where they shop all your money, your mama dey village, your papa dey village, that they beg from one place to another to eat. Is very bad. Is very bad. If you have parents in the house and you don't help your parents, they go dey curse you, because every day they say, oh, I get one pikin for abroad. Even sef, maybe sometimes they even sell their property to take you to abroad. You go reach abroad, you go dey do one thing, go dey put boy for house, dey cook Versace soup for them, go dey do lot of things, go dey even dey use your money unnecessary. You don't even care about your parents for house, and using this opportunity to tell some people that is doing this. It's not good. You know why I say not good? Your parents, they will not be happy with you. Every time they will be swearing for you. They go dey swear for you all the time. The time wey they will take bless you, they go use am dey swear for you, and you don't need that. And you go see born pikin tomorrow, you go see get your own pikin. If your children treat you like that, how will you feel? Are you not going to be crying, say, oh my God, does that mean say na wetin I do to my parents now they come to me? When you get papa, you get mama, try to take care of them. And if you still get brothers and sisters, you don't see try for them. They no take am say na something you do for them. They say wetin you do. They beat you put, they do everything, they even steal your money, they call you all sorts of name. Relax, leave them. Just leave them, abandon them. It's everywhere. Yes, you go see some wey you don't even help. They go say wetin you do for them, who you help. But that time that you need that help, somebody was there to render the help. Now you are asking, say wetin you do for me. Fine, e no do nothing for you, e no do nothing for you, but relax, your reward is in God's hands. Try to take care of your parents. At least one that money wey you take dey buy Versace soup, or that money wey you dey spend for boy, at least just take 30 euro. Take 30 euro, send to your mother. You know say our money for year e big. When e go reach us, e dey lelelele. Try to send money to your parents. Let them feel good. Let them feel relaxed. Let them feel say, oh my word, I get pikin for abroad. Not be say they go put hand for this thing. Oh my God, oh wetin I do to this? No. After they cry finish, go dey swear for you. Let me use my own as an example to you guys. It's just like my mom. She wants to pray for me. Go bring breast come out like this. Go say, "Enwena no wena." That means this is my breast where you suck so. Any evil nothing near you. This my breast where I take pray for you so. Blessing go dey follow you. Good things go dey follow you. But when your parents not pray for you, you say me pray for no you na your pastor. So go say na so their papa na wish, na so their mama na wish, na make them not meet up. That your papa and that your mama will be wish. He not kill you where you dey inside belle. He not kill you where you dey 1 month. He not kill you where you don't come out. You don't crawl, you don't sit down, you don't do everything, you don't work out. You can't even get your own sense. He not kill you. Now, wetin is not good for you. Now your papa can't kill you. I don't see person like that. He say he get wetin he want do. He no want tell him mama, he no want tell him papa. Because the native doctor tell am say if he tell them say the whole thing go spoil. My people, make I knack una story for that one. He no see tell papa, he no see tell mama o. But the thing still go as it be before. He no go where? As he tell me, now tell am say come. Are you okay? Are you sick in your head? Somebody tell you say this thing what you want to do, so not tell your papa, not tell your mama. You can't really agree. You not tell your papa. So now your papa and your mama now be the wishy way they worry you. Okay, as you not consider tell your papa and your mama now, why the thing not come work hard? Now see how this life be. This life is not balance. It not balance at all. It not balance for some people where not gay, where they know they use their number 6. They know they use their sense. They think say the sky is my limit. I don't enter abroad. No. You know they see some people, they don't make car, they don't get money, they don't galabarize, they don't do everything. They don't do everything. They don't put perfect for people, plenty people high. They don't tell people say who you be, but today where they dey. They dey ordinary grant. What did they call them? I get money before I not get money again. Now sorry be your name. Try to take good care of your parents. If your brothers, your sisters, they say who you be, forget them. It dey my body, it dey your body, it dey everybody body. Yes. Like me, I can use my own as an example. I've helped my brothers and my sisters, but today wetin they go talk, they say wetin you do. But when I was in their condition, when I was in their position, they never render help for me. They never render help for me. But I did mine. But today wetin they want talk, they say wetin you do. Not be that small money where you give me, not be that one where you give me, we never use and finish. Not be that car where you give me, we never spend and finish, we never drive and finish. No. Bini say mercy or we now way away. Okay, you don't talk those ones for me now. Tomorrow now you go see come waka come meet me, make I come still help you again. How you say me I can help you? When I first give you one, you say who I be. Then you want me to help you the second time. I give lot of chances. I know how many chances I've given to a lot of people. I don't give the chance like, okay, no problem. First time, no problem. Second time, no problem. Third time, no problem. Like keep on repeating itself. It keep on repeating itself, which is very, very bad. You don't allow people to take advantage of you, especially your brothers and sisters home. Take advantage of them. When they ask you money, you see ask them money. When they tell you say everywhere is dry, tell them say everywhere dry. If they tell you say this soup wey they cook so this black soup wey they cook so meat not dey. I tell them say now that kind black soup now you want me you eat, because as you dey abroad now you know they see fresh food eat. And so if they tell you say they not even see money to buy pure water, tell they say that pure water na me I even need them. I even need the rain water. I not see where I put my basin make rain fall put for my rain water make I drink, because I dey miss rain water. You know say we were there abroad now, we know they see rain water. If the rain fall before we know it don't dry, we know they see rain water. You see tell am say you need the rain water. Na so it be. Yawe eko enwa aya gbofenorahe. When you use your own sense follow them, then they will know that I thought this lady was joking. No, no. Like me, I don't really decide on time. Like say, I say, I beg, forget you. I don't do it. I give you more time. Because I believe that nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. That's what I believe. I believe that people need second chances. But you give first chance, second chance, third chance, for like you keep on giving chances. Sometimes you have to give yourself a break and tell them, please go and sit down and think about yourself. You can't be expecting me to do everything for you. It's not done. It's not possible. Why am I saying all this? You can avoid your brothers or your sisters, but don't avoid your mom. Don't avoid your dad. Do not avoid your parents. Try to make sure they eat your food until they go. Because when they eat your food every time, when you make them laugh all the time, you will see how your life go dey go. Your life will be going smoothly. But when you say, they tell me say na my mama na dey worry me, my dear. The time wey you dey cry, you dey find tears, you no go see tears. Tears no go come because your mama and your papa don swear for you. You know say they see some people now, they go say, you go say the time wey papa and mama dey alive, na so e no chop him money, na so they tell am say na him be the wish. Now papa and mama don swear for am, they don die. Right now, she a pastor don tell am she's trying to clear this thing. You can't clear it, my darling. It's not possible. You can't clear it. Yes. The only way you can clear it, ask for God for forgiveness. Tell God to forgive you. That what you were doing, you did not know. It's only God that can forgive you, not your father and your mother will don't die. Or they'll come tell you, say, pastor tell you, say, buy ticket, may you go Nigeria, may you go their grave. My dear, you are wasting your time. Pray for God for forgiveness. From that day, be a better person. If maybe say you don't feel lost your papa, or maybe now only mama remain where the thing happen, please try and take good care of your mom, so that wetin happen before, e no go come happen again. Make we try dey take care of our parents, because when we take care of our parents, our children will take care of us. Yes, they will take care of us. You know, girl go be, you know, girl that when she go reach, our children must take care of us. Like me, I take care of my mom. I know that my children will is 100%. My children will take care of me. Yes, I do it. I make sure my mom is okay. I make sure I send money to her every month. I make sure she doesn't lack. Yes, try and do it. It's very good, and it's going to help you. When problem is coming, when trouble is coming, it's sure those your mother prayer will wipe them away and return it back to the sender. Try to love your parents. Try to always help your parents. Always support your parents. Always make sure say they eat food. They eat. It's very important. Because when they don't go, they don't go. When they don't go, they don't go. And when they go where you not see food, give them. My dear, you go dey find pastor wey wan pray for you, you no go see. Pastor go pray, go kabash, nothing dey kabash. Everywhere don go, everywhere don strong. My brothers and my sisters, I just bring this to you. Please stop giving your boyfriend, I not say me not give your boyfriend money, but try and take care of your mother. Those one wey dey give their boyfriend money, that one na your own wahala. Those one wey dey buy Versace soup, na your own business. Because Yahweh gbere ayabu yenedu. What you did to your parents, your children will do it to you. Ebo itendono eriyo waje de tele wagimaga gba oge ijima no bima, ijima no mwima yeko kuki okpado suki ukigbe gimaga uji no keke niya gimaga pon mi yan ve no keke. so that inyagari wu or inye ike wu inye iga nerun nima wagimaga gba owie ijima verima emi no heke wagbona einu if do menegware. I greet you all. Thank you all for listening to me. God bless you all. I really, really appreciate you all. Thank you all. So guys, if you've never subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to Mama Didi Canada TV show. Make it baka so that anytime I make baka, you will be baka with me. Much love and much kisses to you all. I will see you guys on my next video. See you all. Bye. Much love and much kisses to you all. Okay, much love and much kisses to you all. Bye, bye, bye. Bye.